Where are you from?
United States.
Je duitscht Palestinisch?
Yeah.
Je ma?
Iraq.
American?
No, Iraq. From here, Mosul. No, Mosul.
Mosul.
Breaking news. The Kurdish forces captured an American member of the Islamic State known as ISIS on the Shingal front on Monday. Mohammed Jamal Amin is a Virginia-born American citizen of a Palestinian father and Iraqi mother from Mosul. The ISIS fighter had mistakenly walked into Kurdish forces while he was on his way to Turkey. Amyn had entered Syrian from Turkey 2 months ago from where he had traveled to Mosul. A number of cell phones, some money and ID cards were seized from the ISIS fighter. Now he detained by Kurdish forces in Erbil Iraqi Kurdistan. Reported by Detained Kurdistani for our HEACH news agency, 14th of March 2016.
From here, Mosul. No, Mosul.
Mosul.